In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import notes from Notion to Obsidian. Start by opening the Obsidian app on your computer. Then open Notion in your web browser or desktop app, making sure you are already signed in so you can access your workspace right away. In Notion, go to the bottom of the left sidebar and click Settings, the gear icon. Under Workspace, click General. Scroll down until you find the button labeled Export All Workspace Content, then click it. A settings window will appear for the export. Set the export format to HTML, then set Include Content to Everything. Turn on the option to create folders for subpages, then click Export. Notion will prepare the export and send you a download link by email. Open that email, click the download link, and save the zip file to your computer. This zip file contains the workspace content you are bringing into Obsidian. Now switch back to Obsidian. In the bottom left corner, click the Settings gear icon. If prompted, enter your email address to log in, or follow the on-screen prompts to create a free account. In Settings, click Community Plugins. Then select Turn on Community Plugins. After that, click Browse. In the search field, type Importer. Give it a moment to appear in the results, then click Install, and once the installation finishes, click Enable. Next, look at the left ribbon sidebar and click the importer icon, which appears as a download arrow. In the importer window, open the File Format drop-down menu and choose Notion.zip. Click Choose File. Find the Notion zip file you saved earlier, select it, and click Open. In the Output folder field, type Notion Import. Say it as 2 words while entering it Notion, then Import. After that, enable Save Parent Pages and Subfolders. Now click Import and wait for the process to finish. Obsidian will bring in your notes and related files from the zip archive into the folder you just named. When the import is done, go to the sidebar and expand the folder called Notion Import. Check that your notes and images are there. You should also see the imported content listed in your account workspace inside Obsidian. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's it. You have successfully imported notes from Notion to Obsidian. Congratulations!